Oh my gosh, we're in August, and you know what that means. If you filed a tax extension earlier this year and you still haven't touched it, you're not alone. And this video is your reminder that it is not too late. In fact, now is the perfect time to take action, get to work, and make it happen. Now, let's be real. Life happens. Summer gets busy. We go on trips. The kids are at home. And maybe you took a pause from your business. And so now you're coming back to business and it feels a little messy. But the good news is you're ready to get the ball rolling again when it comes to your taxes. The only thing is you don't know where to start. And I get it. A lot of business owners file extensions to buy themselves more time, but then the time just goes by so quickly. So today's video is perfect for you. Let's get your mind right so that you can get to work and get those taxes filed, get those taxes paid. Here's what to do right now if you haven't filed. You need to get your books in order. You're a business owner, so you want to make sure that those books are accurate, they're reliable when it's time to file your taxes so that you're not overpaying the IRS. Now, if you haven't touched your books all year long, then start small. Work in chunks, just 1 hour a day. Set a reminder in your phone, maybe 2 p.m. every day. You're working on it and start with January. If you haven't done January, start there and work your way up to the end of the year. What you want to do is get those expenses categorized. Look at your bank statements, see what you have been spending on the business, and put together your report that shows all your income and all your business expenses. Put it all together. Make sure that you're not leaving money on the table. Account for all of your income. And if you usually have help with this, then this is the perfect time to reach out to your accountant. They would love to hear from you now versus 1 week before the deadline. Don't be that person. Okay. And if you don't have an accountant, but you've been meaning to hire an accountant, this is the perfect time, summertime, right before accountants get busy. So I have a whole video on how to hire an accountant. But the bottom line is do not ghost the IRS. Do not ghost the IRS. Do not be that person. You want to file your taxes on time and make the payments. Now, if you think you're going to owe, yet you haven't filed your tax return yet, you can still make a payment now versus waiting until you file the tax return. And what this is going to do is it's going to save you so much in penalties and interest. Because remember, when you file a tax extension, it gives you 6 additional months to file your return, but that doesn't mean you get 6 additional months to pay your taxes. So those taxes they were already due. So if you know you're going to owe, go ahead and make a payment. You can do it on the IRS website. Easy, right? And let me just remind you real quick what those upcoming filing deadlines are. So the fall deadline for extended returns is September 15th for S Corps and partnerships. And then it's October 15th for personal and single member LLC tax returns. And yes, we're in August now, but that time is going to come fast. So don't delay. Remember, if you're an S Corp owner or even a partnership owner, you have to file that first in order to have all the documents and information you need to then file your personal return. So working backwards, get the business return filed so that you can then do your personal return in time. All right. I really pray that this video was helpful. And I want you to know, please don't panic, don't procrastinate, just start, right? We can make up all these stories in our brain about, dang, I said I wasn't going to do this year. I said I was going to be on time. I said I wasn't going to file an extension. I was going to get it done by April. Forget those stories because we are here now. And now is the best time to do it. Can't do it in the past. Now is the earliest time that you can do it. So you are early. It's August. And if you want a refresher on deductions, right? Making sure that you are maximizing your deductions, you are taking what you are allowed to deduct, And even to just know what counts as a write off, then check out my Make It Count on demand workshop. This is a workshop that I did where you'll get instant access to peace of mind and clarity as it relates to all the haziness that you may have around write offs. You might have all these questions swirling in your head, such as what are write offs? What counts? What doesn't count as a write off? What can I deduct? When can I deduct certain expenses? How to maximize your write offs? I walk you through all of this and more. Plus, on top of the on demand video, you'll get three bonuses, including a game changing business expense tracker so that you never miss out on saving money in your business. And that tracker is going to help you get your life together as you are filing your taxes this fall. All right. Grab it today. The link is in the description. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel, put a comment if you love this video. And my name is Chica, and I will see you next time. Peace.